Okay, I want to take a couple minutes to show you how to download the apps you need to do right-of-way inspections and complete those online. I think this tutorial will show you all the steps and everything you need to do, hopefully clarify some of the pitfalls that we're running into as a group. So one of the things you want to start out doing is going to your work apps. There's an app on the left in the middle called Hub. It's the purple one. If you click on that, you're going to have all of your apps available. And this should be the same for both Android and iPhone. I've already downloaded all of them, so I just have the option to open them, but you should be able to install the apps, and it'll take a minute for Enterprise to push those apps to your phone. Once they're pushed to your phone, you'll be given the open option, and then you'll be able to log in. In order to do a right-of-way inspection from an activity report, you have to have two apps installed, and that's ArcGIS Explorer, the top one here you see, and then if you go down 4 down, ArcGIS 123 is the other one that you have to have. You need to install both of them before we can do any kind of activity report. So let's start off with ArcGIS Explorer. It's fairly straightforward. We're going to sign in with ArcGIS Online, the white box. Click on it. Next, we're going to, this is the one thing that trips people up. There's, if you click on the little up and down arrows right here, you can see it opens different boxes. We're not going to use the ArcGIS login. You're going to use your ArcGIS organizational's URL. It should be blank if it's your first time. If it's blank, you're going to put in eProducts, just like it looks on my screen. Once you do that, hit eProducts, put in eProducts, you'll hit next. For me, I'll just click on the eProducts. Now you're going to go through your employee login. This is your normal employee username that you would use to log into your computer. I'll go ahead and do mine. Once you log in, it's going to log you in and you're going to see aerial patrol maps. This is your landing page here. If you click on it, it's going to give you 7 different maps. The two that we're going to talk about, or the one we're going to talk about today, is the top one, right-of-way patrol field maps. But I also want to point out down on the bottom, there's offline right-of-way patrol field maps. So if you're going to go outside of a cell phone area, you will want to download a map before you go out there. So you can go ahead and click on the right-of-way patrol field maps. I'll show you a couple things. You're going to have some permissions you're going to have to allow. I allow while using this app. And you're going to be brought to a Google map. This is pinch to zoom and pinch to expand. And then you can use 2 fingers to move the map around. So you need to use 2 fingers on the screen probably to move it around. And then you can go in and identify where these activities are. A couple things, if you on the top, the little 2 books that are stacked right there, if you click on them, the layers, you'll see that we have observations without inspections clicked. You could also click all observations. We have flight tracks clicked. You can unclick that if you want, or click pipelines. I don't know how I got lost. How did that happen? Yeah, so one of the things I want to show is a couple features on this map. When you start drilling down, there's the little layers, which is up next to the pencil button at the top. You can see that there's some options here for layers. We want to make sure observations without inspections are clicked or checked. And then the other one is the 3 little dots in the top right. If you click on it, you're going to get base maps. So this is the one that I like to use. It's the different maps that you can see everything on. I like this navigation map. This is the one I like to use because it shows roads. It's kind of what I'm used to. Looks like a Google navigation map, so I like to use it. I do want to show, like, if you want to drill in on an activity, we'll find one down here by the terminal. You can drill in. You can see the blue dotted line and the red dotted line. Those are the actual flight paths that the pilot took. And then here you can see the little circle with the excavator arm in it. That means the pilot identified an excavation there. If you click on that little circle with the excavator arm in it, it's going to bring up this white box. I didn't do a good job clicking on it, so it didn't show up. Let me try it again. That time I clicked on it, and it shows excavation routine. It gives you the lat and long. So I'm going to click on that excavation routine button. And now it's going to take you to the Launch Survey 123 inspection report. So that's the next app we're going to show how you download and get into. But I want you to just know that you have to come here to find the inspection and then click on the Launch Survey 123 inspection report in order to do your inspection report. So, all right, so let's go back and download the 123 app, Survey 123 app. Again, we're going to go back to Hub, and we're going to go to All Apps, and then we're going to go to ARC Survey 123. We're going to allow. We're going to click Sign in ArcGIS Online. Same thing. Click the up so you hide it. And then you're going to click the down so you can enter eProducts, EPRODUCTS at eProducts, and then hit continue. Now you're going to click employee login, and again, just log in normally. So this is going to be CM Shelby. You do not want to use your at eProd, and then put in your password. I'm almost done, and then hit submit. Now it's going to ask you to verify. So I like to receive a text message, so I'm going to hit submit. It's going to text me a code. Here it is. I've got to go get it now. And then I'm going to go back. Let's go. And then I'm going to paste it in and then hit submit. So now once I allow these permissions while using this app, I'm going to hit, it's going to ask for location permissions. I'm going to hit next while using this app. Background location permissions, I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to allow while using this app. And then here, I'm just going to hit the back button, and now my app is up and running, and it's ready for me to accept surveys or to accept reports. So the process is, whenever you have the line flyer goes out, they identify an activity, you're going to come here, you're going to go to ArcGIS Explorer, open up, you're going to find your activity by clicking on the right-of-way, again, the right-of-way patrol field maps, and we'll find one. I know there's one down here. We go a little further down. I know there's activity reports. Sorry. Right-of-way patrol. Where the fuck did they go? All right, and now you're going to find an activity. I'll use one of these activities over in Moab here. I'm going to drill down, and then I'm going to click on the little icon. You can see it says Excavation Other. I'm going to click on it. Now it's going to allow me to launch Survey 123 via this link. I'm going to click on the Launch Survey 123 Inspection Report link, and it's going to take me to the My Survey 123 and pre-populate the line flyers information. So you can see the line flyer information in the top, and then we're going to go in here and populate this. And that's how you do an inspection report. Once you get finished, on the bottom right, there's a checkbox. It's hard to see, but it's on the bottom right. Hit check, and it will save it. You have the option to enter location. You also have the option to fill out or to add pictures, attach files, and then sign it here and print your name, put in the date, and then hit the check mark, and you should be good. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.